Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 10th. Act 4, the last act is going on according to the syllabus of council. You know that Act 5 has been reduced from your syllabus. So Act 4 will be the last act of this year. Now the speech of Portia, line number 297. Portia says, your wife would give you little thanks for that if she were by to hear you make the offer. Portia says, if your wife would thank you very little, she would be angry for that offer that you have given to Antonio. If she were present to hear you making such an offer, if she would present here making you such an offer, she would be angry. She would not be happy. Grishano says, I have a wife whom I protest, I love, I would shiver in heaven, so she could entreat some power to change this currish Jew. Grishano says, he has become very emotional also. Grishano, when see that Bassanio has become very emotional, he has also become very emotional. He also says, I have a wife whom I swear I love, but I wish that she were dead and in heaven, so that she could plead, request with some heavenly power to change this cruel Jew, to change the mind of this cruel Jew. Melissa says, that is well, your offer it behind her back. The wish would make else an unquiet house. Melissa was also present there. She says, it is good that you make this offer when your wife is not present. Though she is present there, but they pretending as they have disguised themselves. So she says, when your wife is not present, otherwise your wish would disrupt the peace in your household. There would be quarrel. It would be the matter of a quarrel if your wife would be here. Shylock says, these be the Christian husbands. These be the Christian husbands. I have a daughter. Would any of the stock of Barabbas had been her husband rather than a Christian? Aside he says, we trifle time, I pray thee, pursue sentence. Shylock has become bored. Aside he says, such are Christian husbands, you see. They love their wives, but internally they do not love. Such type of intention they have in their heart. I have a daughter. He says, I have a daughter. I wish she had married to one in the family of Barabbas. Barabbas, a notorious criminal rather than to a Christian. He knows that his daughter had married a Christian named Lorenzo, so he wishes that if his daughter would marry a Barabbas, a notorious criminal, it would be good than to marry a Christian. Aloud, but we are wasting time, he says. We are wasting time. I request you to pronounce the sentence. Portia says, a pound of that same merchant flesh is thine. The court awards it, and the law doth give it. Portia says, a pound of this merchant's flesh is yours. The court awards it to you, and the law sanctions it. The law sanctions it, grants it. Shylock is the most rightful judge. You are most rightful judge. Portia says, and you must cut this flesh from off his breast. The law allows it, and the court awards it. Portia says to Shylock, and you have to cut this flesh from his chest. The law allows this, and the court grants it. Shylock again says, most learned judge, a sentence, come, prepare. Shylock is very happy. He says, most learned judge, you are. It is a good sentence. Come, prepare yourself, Antonio. Portia says, tarry a little, there is something else. The story, the drama takes U-turn here. Portia says, tarry a little, there is something else. Stop, wait a little, there is something else, Shylock. This bond doth give thee no jot of blood. The bond does not permit you to shed the smallest drop of blood. The words expressly are written, a pound of flesh. The words definitely state a pound of flesh, not a jot of blood. Take then thy bond, take thou thy pound of flesh, but in the cutting of it, if thou dost shed one drop of Christian blood, thy lands and goods are, by the laws of Venice, confiscate unto the state of Venice. She says, the words, it is written, a pound of flesh only. So take the penalty as per your bond, which is a pound of flesh. While cutting it, if you shed one drop of Christian blood, then by the laws of Venice, all your lands and property will be confiscated by the state of Venice, forfeited by the state of Venice. Gratiano says, now he is teasing Shylock. He says, O upright judge, Mark, Jew, O learned judge. He is teaching, he is cheating. Shylock says, is that the law? This is the law. Portia says, thyself shalt see the act. For as thou urgest justice, be assured, thou shalt have justice more than thou desirest. Portia says, you shall see the act. See the act, what is written in the Constitution of Venice, in the law of Venice. You shall see the act. You have demanded strict justice, you will receive justice more than you desire. Gratiano says, O learned judge, Mark, Jew, a learned judge. O learned judge, pay attention, Jew, a learned judge. Shylock says, I take this offer, then pay the bond thrice and let the Christian go. Shylock now is defeated. He thinks that he is defeated. So he says, then I accept the earlier offer. Pay me 3 times the amount of the debt and let the Christian be free. Let the Antonio be free. Porcia says, here is the money. Take this money. Portia says, soft. The Jew shall have all justice. Soft, no haste. He shall have nothing but the penalty. Portia says to Bassanio not to give the money. She says, stop, the Jew will have full justice. Stop, do not be in such a hurry. He will have nothing but the penalty. Gratiano says, O Jew, an upright judge, a learned judge. Again he is teasing Shylock. Portia says, therefore prepare thee to cut off the flesh. Shed thou no blood, nor cut thou less nor more, but just a pound of flesh. She says to Shylock, therefore get ready to cut off the flesh, shed no blood, and be careful to cut neither more nor less than an exact pound. Exact pound. But if you cut, if it but so much as makes it light or heavy in the substance, or the division of the 20th part of one poor scraple, nay, if the scale do turn but in the estimation of a hair, thou diest, and all thy goods are confiscated. She said, if you take more or less than a pound, whatever it is light or heavy in weight, more or less 1/20th in excess or less than a scraple, or if the scales differ by a hair's breadth from exact weight, you will have death penalty, and all your possessions will be confiscated. Vishnu says, a second Daniel, a Daniel Jew, now infidel, I have thee on the hip. Vishnu teases Shylock. He says, here is a second Daniel, a Daniel Jew, now unbeliever, I have a firm hold on you. Now you are in our clutches. And what happens, what Portia says after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.